If you're having trouble lighting your fireplace or wood stove on an extremely cold day, what you need to do is prime the flue, because the cold air coming down is going to just spill the smoke back from your fire lighting attempt back into your house, and that's obviously not fun. So you need to prime the flue, warm it up. What we recommend is you get a heat gun if you happen to have one. Most people don't, but I bet you have something that looks just like this, like a hair dryer. That's the tip. And what you do is you hold it up near the top of the chimney, from the bottom, I should say, so up in the top of the smoke shelf, rather. Hold it up there, blast some heat in there for a good few minutes. You'll know when it's warm because if you take the heat source away and stick your hand in there, it will no longer be cold. And then go ahead and get a small fire started. Very slowly. Start off with just a piece of paper and make sure that the smoke's going to go up. And this actually works. It's not a magic trick, it's just a great tip for getting your cold chimney to fire up. Because on a cold day, that's when you want it to work. And that's when it's least likely to work, when it's coming from a cold start. So, yeah, hope this works out for you. Like and subscribe, or go for a jog, whatever. Live your life. See ya.